Welcome to AlphaCars and Motorcycles. My name is Dimitri, Ian is running the camera, and welcome to the channel. With this video, we're going to give you an update for where we are in our shop and in our showrooms. And we're going to finish this video segment with very exciting message for our motorcycle enthusiasts. So we are in our main building delivery showroom area. This used to be our showroom, but now we have a large showroom. We're going to be there in a minute. And this is just our Boxborough location. So here we have a G-Class that was completely restored from badly rusted, nearly neglected mechanically. And now this vehicle is an amazing cosmetic and awesome mechanical condition. We did find a qualified buyer for our Toyota Highlander. This is an amazing rust-free automobile that is being delivered. Here's the Dnieper motorcycle for those that love vintage bike. This would be awesome. Check out that listing online. And of course, we have a Ural right there. For those of you that are unfamiliar, check them out. They're amazing bikes. We have our Porsche Cayman R, a little over 4,000 miles, an amazing vehicle. We just listed this BMW 840 Ci. You must check it out, even if you're not a BMW enthusiast. This car is amazing, very low price point, and a lot of car for the money. And we sorted this car unbelievably. Ian, did I miss something in the showroom? An Alpha. We should mention the Alpha. So this is a very special car for AlphaCars. It is 1971, and it is the original owner vehicle. In 1971, three friends came from Vietnam. One bought the Alpha, one bought the Porsche 911, and the other one bought a Corvette. So we don't know where the other two cars are, but for the last 25 years, we've been servicing this car. It may be one of the highest mileage Alfa Romeo in existence in the United States. This has close to 200,000 miles, and it only has one engine rebuilt that we did 20 years ago. So let's keep going. This is an amazing car. This is one of my favorite cars here. And yeah, check out the 840. And we're going to show you a mechanical shop. We have a lot going on here today. The Boxster is getting a lot of suspension maintenance work done. Here is the engine, a cute little four-cylinder engine from the MG, Ian, help me on that one. MG
Midget.
MG Midget, yes.
1275 cc.
12, that's a big deal because many of them had lesser, smaller engine. That's transmission from the same. We have the BMW 740 getting some work done, and we're actually doing some module coating on that. And here's another G-Class. We're doing a lot of mechanical work. Oh, this one is almost back together. The whole front end was apart.
Last time I saw it, there was no front end.
Yeah, there was no front end. Yes, it was beyond apart. Yeah, because we were getting to this. And so all the aluminum lines, they were all corroded, broken. That's the exhaust from this. And this is another shop we're going to take a peek in, just so you know. We have our tire and wheel equipment here, state-of-the-art, touch-free Hunter Revolution, absolutely the best equipment money can buy, and the elite Hunter Road Force. And check this out. This is very important. Made in USA. So, and then we do have our motorcycle service bay right there. This car is getting major reconditioning. We're almost done with it. We have a couple of sidecars. We have the Royal Enfield. And let's make our way to the showroom, and we're going to show you an exciting view of our fresh Royal Enfield inventory that we're getting for the season. You see some crates here that just got unloaded. And we have a lot of crates inside. So if you look at this, check this out. This is pre-tariff pricing. We got a lot of bikes, pre-tariff pricing. So these are the Hunter 350 Rebel Red, all brand new bikes in the crates.
Rebel Blue, Dapper Gray.
Yep.
All sorts of colors.
Just like that. Just like that. Yep. Origin, India, destination, United States. Pre-tariff pricing. So we're going to check out, there are a couple more crates here, and let's keep going. We're just packing them in our showroom. Come on in. We just finished, this was a nice mechanical restoration project on this Corvette. This car is already listed. Our marketing team did a great job representing not only the amazing condition of this Aston Martin, but also the amazing value. This is a one-owner automobile in 100% original condition. Every panel of this car is factory original, and this is the one that has inline supercharged 6-cylinder engine. It looks like it's the engine from that Dodge diesel truck. It's a massive inline 6. Another G63 that we did a complete restoration on this one, and then it got into a small little accident, which we did do the repair. This is, for those of you that sign up for the channel and looking at this video, check this out, especially because this car is going to be on our website very, very soon. It's 2003 Morgan 8 Plus, and 8 stands for an 8-cylinder. And yes, we're gonna let you see that engine in. Okay, so we're gonna start from the beautiful interior. Manual 5-speed transmission, 3 pedals, shifter. And check out this Land Rover 4.0 V8 in this, this is actually wooden frame and on metal frame, wooden elements in the body. This is a handmade automobile, and it has modern features that hopefully no one has to use, but it has the airbag system, it has fuel injection, it's got disc brakes, but it looks like the car from the 30s. So we've got that. The GLS 580 was sold today. We're very glad it was sold to our local customer. We love selling cars locally, but we sell a lot of cars out of state, out of the country, because we have amazing marketing team that delivers powerful, accurate, transparent digital content right to our website, right to our YouTube channel. So make sure you're signed up and you will know everything there is to know about our inventory firsthand. Here's another, this is not a one-owner car, but it's in the same family, and it's the 1800, and these are very desirable cars now. We're going over mechanical restoration. It came in with a concern of the drivability. We diagnosed it down to fuel injectors and doing a few other things. So this is going to be a nice driving car. And remember that engine we showed you, the MG Midget? So that engine came out of this vehicle, and we, with the engine out, we did a detailing inside. It's all original. We did a little bit of touch-up. And I believe this car is also almost a one-owner car. I think the existing owner bought it when it was 2 or 3 years old. So, more crates. Let's check them out. So you can see a Super Meteor, another Super Meteor, another Super Meteor. So it looks like this is our Super Meteor pack. Let's check out what we have here. Volga Gaz 24, we just sold the green one. That is making its way to the website. Those are very rare these days. So we have another Hunter, another Hunter, another Hunter here. And look at all these motorcycles. We have Urals. As you enter the showroom on your left, you'll see a lot of beautiful Urals. And on the right, you're going to see beautiful, amazing Royal Enfield motorcycles. So for each motorcycle, we have a listing on our website with detailed video. Some of the bikes, we have extra accessories. We have really nice, very special, unique for United States accessories. If you look at that Hunter, that fairing, it almost makes that bike look like it's not a Hunter. If you glance at it, you don't see that's the standard Hunter right next to it, and that's the one with that fairing. It's not a very expensive piece, but it turns the bike into a vintage-looking motorcycle.
Racer style.
Yeah.
We have a video on that too.
Yes.
We have a video on we have other colors of the fairing as well.
Yeah. So this is the Scram 411, which is not available in the United States anymore. When we learned that they will not be sold in the United States, we bought a bunch of new ones. So we still have a couple. Check them out. It's an amazing bike. I love this bike. And so that's, yeah, the last year they were offered was 2023, so we still have them. They're brand new bikes. They do have 3-year unlimited mileage warranty. And as we go through here, we see this is one of the most popular Royal Enfields, in my opinion. Nice parallel twin 650cc Interceptor. And there was a Continental GT, but I think it got sold. So we actually don't have one in the showroom. And check out some Urals. We don't have many used ones. I wish we had more, but people keep them, people love them. This is a CT, and it's pre-owned. Amazing condition, amazing value. And the CT is actually a very nice bike compared to the Gear Up. It doesn't have the two-wheel drive system. It's lower to the ground. It is a little bit wider, 18-inch wheels. It handles very, very nice on pavement, and you can take it off-road, you can take it on dirt roads. It's a great bike all around. And this particular one has tons of options, so check out the listing for this bike if it's still available, and a few other new ones. So thank you very much for viewing this overview. We will call it our April 2025 overview. And we're excited to get all this new inventory. A lot of these bikes already pre-sold. People were waiting for them because we're running out of Royal Enfield inventory. So we're glad we could get some more early in the season. So thanks for watching this video. Consider sharing, consider subscribing, because you'll get this exciting content the very day we publish it. And we try to publish content daily. Let us know which videos you like the best by simply clicking that like button. Thanks for watching.